welcome back to Red Ted Art and our Back to School Special 2, where we share a compilation of previous crafts that are perfect for back to school. From the no-sew pencil roll to these colourful zipper pulls to beautiful DIY notebooks and of course lots of fun with emojis. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're all made. So to make your easy peasy no-sew pencil roll, you will need a piece of felt. Mine is 25 centimeters by 30 centimeters. A ribbon or some string. Mine is about 50 centimeters. A ruler, very important. Some scissors, a pencil, and of course your pencils. Now, when it comes to the hip width and the length, it actually depends on your pencil. So in my case, I took my pencils and just made sure that they fit. You need about 2 centimeters at the end, and then you do roughly a centimeter and a half between each one. So then you decide roughly where you're going to have your pencil lines. So now I'm going to take my little scissors and give it a little snip like so. You might have to make the snips bigger, but just start it off and see if it fits. Cut them all. Let's see how they fit. Add your ribbon. So to do that, I'm going to find the middle of my fabric, which is, let's see, what was it? About here. I'm going to do a little snip, 2 centimeters in. Let me just actually mark it. So a little snip, 2 centimeters, actually 2 snips, because I want to put I want 2 ribbons around it. I should have done that properly. Da, da, da. Let's do a line here and a line here. Like I say, ignore the pencil mark. So I'm just going to leave it like that. What you can do, if you're worried about the string coming undone, you can give it a little knot here. I think that's always quite good, just to make sure it stays in place, like so. And then you're ready to roll. Then take your ribbon and you wrap one each way, like so. And then you do a little bow where you push this under, make a loop, wrap it round, push it through. And there you have your very own no-sew pencil case. So to make your poo emoji or poop emoji, you will need a glue stick, some little scraps of paper. This is white for the one we're making now, or red if you want to do the heart one. Obviously some brown paper, and if you don't have brown paper, then use some normal paper and use a coloured pen, and some little scissors. So as with all our bookmarks, we start by folding the bottom and bringing it up, like so. Then we bring this corner over here, like so, and then we bring this corner over here. There we go. Nice and flat. Now give it good crease. Mine is a bit thicker, this paper. Bring one flap down, like so. Bring this one over and tuck it in. And bring this one over and tuck it in, like this. Now this time we're also going to fold this one in and tuck it, so we get that sort of triangular shape. Now here's the tricky bit, and you might want to, here's my scrap one, you might want to practice this on some white piece of paper first. The first thing you need to do is you kind of need to, with a pencil, just give it that kind of swirly look that you get from the poop emoji. is your poop emoji to make your poop emojis. Aren't they adorable? What you will need is some wool. You will need something like baker's twine or similar, it's just that this is stronger than wool. And if you have a pom-pom maker, if you don't have a pom-pom maker, don't worry, I'm going to share a link below this video which shows you how to make pom-poms without a pom-pom maker. And you will also need some beads and of course a keyring. Now if you don't have a keyring handy like this, you can just tie it straight to your backpack or add it to you know, one that you've got ready. I basically just took an old one of mine apart and use this. So to begin with, let's make a pom-pom. I'm going to make an orange one first. So that's my two pom-poms ready. Now let's make a tassel. So again, you take your wool, and that's how easy it is to make a tassel and some pom-poms. So you're almost there. Now comes the fun bit. Now you get to choose some beads. Now as you can see here, I didn't actually use that many beads. So, you know, I used 3 on this one, none on this one, 3 on that one. So really you don't need too many. Part of your zipper pull already. In fact, I think it looks quite sweet just like that. So anyway, so you carry on and you repeat with the other ones, different lengths and different beads, until you have your very own super colourful backpack zipper pull. So to make the smash book that I've made, these are the materials I've used. Now, of course, you can use what you've got at home. It's all different, you know, make it your own, make it personal. And I'll give you some tips as we go along as to how you can vary the materials. I've used a cereal box. I've used some brown paper that I actually took off a package that arrived. So this is recycled, really excited that it's recycled. I've got some plain white card, which is the majority of my smash book. And also I bought some pretty card from our local Tiger store, which I think just to brighten it up a bit and also to add some of the pockets inside the smash books. Then I've also needed some glue stick, scissors, hole punch, things like washi tape. You know, you can get these in lots of different colors. I've got loads of different types, you know, cute stickers, whatever. These are the pens I use to decorate the front, but to be honest, as we go through it, I'll discuss some other options. And then of course I've used these book rings. Now if you don't have book rings, I think it could look really nice if you use something like ribbons. This is my daughter's storybook, so it doesn't have to be a smash book. It could be a journal or an art journal, and I think they look really cute using ribbons as well. But I just fancied these because I thought it'd be fun to use them. You can get them at stationers, or you can get them online. I'll put some links down below where you can get these, but you know, yes, have a look, see what you've got. So the first thing you want to do is cutting your pages. All I've done is I've literally taken my thick, I mean it's quite thick paper, it's not actually that cardboardy. I folded it in half so that I can get 2 pages out of each sheet, and then I've literally just cut it. Very, very straightforward. And then of course that gives me 2 sheets. So then I've cut out a whole set. So here I've got 2 whites, 1 coloured, 2 whites, 1 coloured. And then you can see a little bit of detail here already. I've then used the leftovers to tape in like little pockets for stuff to go in. Then it's time to make your front and back covers. So you get your piece of cereal box. So now I'm ready to decorate my front. Now, as you've seen, I've already decorated the back. It was really just, I kind of just, you know, I did actually think for ages, what should I do? And to be honest, it really doesn't matter. And you can, you know, write something, you can use patterns. I'm going to just carry on with this fish theme. So my front cover, my back cover are done. What do you think? Ta-da! Right, obviously you've seen it already because I showed it to you at the beginning. Now we need to basically punch a whole load of holes into my books and then bring it together with the rings. Very own smash book, ideas journal, drawing. As I said, the great wonderful thing about this is you can add as many pages as you want. You can take more colourful pages in. If you want more of these, you can take some out. It's totally up to you. And then just to sort of start the process, I've started putting in some little pockets, so you can add little bits of information, or you can put like a little flower in it or whatever. So this is the very, very basic journal. Okay, to make our emoji DIY today, we will need to make some pom-poms. Now I've got a big pom-pom and a little pom-pom here, as you know. You can make the big pom-pom using the DIY pom-pom maker technique like this one. I shall link it in the iCard and down below as to how to make the pom-pom using this. Once you've made your pom-pom according to my instructions, please do check. All you need is some felt in different colours, a key ring for the key ring one, a pencil for the pencil one, some scissors, glue. I'm going to use a hot glue gun today because it's a little bit quicker and easier, but to be honest, any good PVA glue should do the trick. So I'm going to start off with the big one. Finished, isn't it great? Love it. Now I'm going to do a little bit of trimming in a minute. Now I just want to very quickly, so in this one I'm going to hold the bottom. And there you go. Little bit of trimming. And where's my scissors gone? Oh, can't find my trimming scissors. Anyway, once I found my trimming scissors, I'm going to trim these and I'm going to add a little black line and then they're done. Aren't they great? So you add your key ring, add your keys, job done. Now, as an aside, look, here's another pom-pom I made a while ago. So you don't have to make emoji pom-poms to make cute key rings. You can make like a little bunny or a little cat or something else. But I do actually think that the emojis are particularly fun. So don't forget to add to your playlist, like, comment, subscribe, and of course, see you here on Red Ted Art again. Bye!